Hey, Kenyatta Donnelly here with something a little bit different. I decided to do a review on this product I found on Facebook called Copper Cow Coffee. It is a Vietnamese pour over style coffee. So I'm going to give it a try, show you a little bit about the product, and give you my thoughts afterwards. So this is my unpacking. The first packet is basically like a coffee package, which we'll see a little bit later. The second packet is the creamer and sugar. It's like a condensed cream with sugar added. And then I have to check on my hot water for the pour over, which we'll be using in a second. So here's the two packets, the coffee packet and then the sugar and condensed milk. So this is basically what the coffee packet looks like once you take it out of the wrapper. It's just a flat, almost like a big tea bag, but then it opens up to have arms, which you'll see in a second. So basically this is what the coffee pouch looks like once you cut open the top and you spread open the packet. It has little arms or holders on the side that you clip onto the cup that will hold the coffee packet in place so that you can pour the hot water over top of it, hence the pour over coffee. So at this point, my water is ready to go. You see the steam coming out. I think it's at about 195 degrees at this point. That's the recommended temperature on the container. And now what you're going to do is you're just going to slowly pour your hot water into the filter bag, which is containing the coffee. If you notice on the first time, I didn't fill it all the way up. I think the best way to do this is to fill it all the way to the top, as you see I'm doing here, and then slowly let it drain back down. And then as it drains, you pour over more water. The package says that if you're going to do a traditional style, you're going to do this about 4 times, which gives you about 4 ounces of coffee, which is more of a Vietnamese style or even a European style of coffee preparation. It says if you want to do American style, you would do 6 pour overs, which would give you about 6 to 8 ounces of coffee. And I think the difference is obviously how much coffee you're going to get, and then also the strength of how your coffee is going to come out based on how much water you're pouring through. That's just my synopsis or my guess. I could be totally wrong in making that up. So I just kind of followed the process and just slowly poured the coffee through. And I think I did 6 times because I wanted a larger cup of coffee, but I'll probably try it again with less water and see what the difference is. So here's just a shot of just the coffee draining. And again, I think the key to this is just being patient and letting the water drain down in its own time and then refilling. So once you're done with the pouring over, you just kind of grab the handle and take your filter out. Pretty simple. I think I had a little saucer on the side that I tossed the coffee filter to, so I didn't make too much of a mess. Then you're going to grab your condensed cream and sugar packet, and you're going to squeeze it out into your coffee. Personally, I think the condensed sugar packet could have been a little bit bigger. It didn't really seem like there was a whole lot in there, but again, if you do the European or Vietnamese style, I think with a smaller cup of coffee, it probably works just perfectly. And voila, I had my first cup of any type of pour over coffee, but it was my first time trying this brand, Copper Cow pour over set. It was super easy. It comes with directions that you can follow on the packaging that shows you how to do everything step by step. But it's a great, convenient way to have good pour over Vietnamese coffee either on the go or at home when you have a little extra time and want to have a great cup of coffee. So if you're interested in giving them a try, their website is coppercowcoffee.com. Pretty straightforward. There's a bunch of deals and offers for discounts, especially for new customers. So go on their website and give them a try. Just so you know, I did not receive anything for this review. I'm just a little bit of a coffee guy. And I think especially all of us wannabe entrepreneurs sometimes run off of coffee, so it's always great to have a resource for a great cup of coffee. So check them out. Okay, friends, hope you enjoyed the video and our little coffee break with this review on Copper Cow coffee. If there are other videos and content that you would like to see, or if you have questions on this particular video, please put that information in the comments and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Also, be sure to subscribe, like, and share the channel so that you can get updates of all of our new content, and certainly share with other people who may be interested and enjoy the information that we're providing on this channel. Also, I'll be adding links to the couple of products that were in the videos, so the pour over kettle as well as the website to coppercowcoffee.com. So that anyone's interested in taking a look at their website or ordering from them, that information will be in the description. So until next time, take care and be safe.